Welcome back to AI Machine Mind, where we explore everything AI. Humane, a technology startup, has officially introduced the AI pin, a small yet powerful device designed to be attached magnetically to the wearer's lapel. Boasting an onboard camera and powered by a Qualcomm chip, the AI pin leverages artificial intelligence to collect and process data. The creators envision a future where the AI pin could potentially replace traditional smartphones. The AI pin is a revolutionary wearable device designed to integrate AI seamlessly into daily life. The small device magnetically attaches to the wearer's lapel, collecting data through an onboard camera. Humane envisions the AI pin as more than just a wearable, it's a step toward enhancing human capabilities without overshadowing our humanity. Features and functionality. The AI pin stands as a tangible embodiment of Humane's vision to seamlessly integrate AI into daily activities while preserving and enhancing human capabilities. The device is equipped with a camera, microphone, depth sensors, and motion sensors, all packed into a compact square design reminiscent of the ill-fated life-logging camera, narrative clip. The processing power for the device comes from a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, demonstrating the technical sophistication of the AI pin. Voice control takes center stage in the AI pin's functionality, representing a logical evolution from existing smartphone assistants like Siri. The pin communicates with the wearer through a unique personic speaker or can be paired with Bluetooth headphones, providing a personalized and discreet user experience. The AI pin, resembling a square device with a camera, microphone, depth and motion sensors, processes data on board using a Snapdragon processor. Voice control, central to the product, allows communication through a personic speaker or paired Bluetooth headphones. Unique features include a laser ink display projecting information onto the wearer's palm, eliminating the need for a traditional screen. The device employs a two-piece design, consisting of the main computer and a battery booster, allowing hot swapping of power sources for uninterrupted usage. Potential to replace smartphones. Humane envisions the AI pin as more than just a wearable device, it represents the company's commitment to integrating AI seamlessly into the fabric of daily life. The Qualcomm chip, coupled with AI algorithms, positions the AI pin as a potential candidate to replace conventional smartphones. This marks a significant shift in how individuals interact with technology. Unlike other products aiming to reduce screen addiction, the AI pin operates independently of a tethered smartphone, thanks to a Humane-branded wireless network built on top of T-Mobile. The laser ink display and voice-controlled features showcase Humane's vision for a new era of technology interaction, focusing on enhancing human experiences. Availability and future prospects. Unlike other products aiming to reduce screen addiction, the AI pin operates independently of a tethered smartphone, thanks to a Humane-branded wireless network built on top of T-Mobile. The AI pin officially available for order in the US, signaling the official introduction of this innovative wearable technology to the market. As technology continues to advance, the AI pin may pave the way for a new era of wearable devices that prioritize enhancing human experiences through unobtrusive AI integration. Humane's AI pin represents a significant advancement in wearable AI technology, promising to seamlessly integrate AI into daily life while maintaining user privacy. With features like a voice-controlled interface, laser ink display, and a unique two-piece design, the AI pin offers a glimpse into the future of wearable devices. The potential to replace smartphones and its adaptability to evolving technology may shape the landscape of human-technology interaction. This makes the AI pin a noteworthy step forward in innovation, in the ever-evolving realm of wearable AI devices. By prioritizing voice control, onboard processing, and a discrete form factor, the AI pin has the potential to redefine how individuals interact with technology on a daily basis. Its reception and adoption may provide insights into the future trajectory of AI-integrated wearables. This sets the stage for further innovations in the realm of daily life enhancement through technology.